So our good friend Jerry Cebulski is digging in the stones for us. He's going to bring them in the backhoe. We're going to try putting them on the roof that way. Let's see if this works or not. The mosquitoes are really bad right now. Well, here he comes. I better get the heck out of the way. Over here where I'm safe. There we are. Wait for the shovel. Doesn't look like the plan is working. No way to dump it out, I guess, without touching the roof. Doesn't reach far enough. I am swarmed with mosquitoes. Oh, blow more. Get a view of this. There we go. While they're doing that, I will show what we've been working on all day. This is tarp material and mills of black, 3 mil black plastic, I think it is, and it covers the entire building. The 3 mil black plastic covers the entire building, and then on top of that there's a blue tarp. On top of that are 2 white tarps. On top of that is another tarp. And then on top of that is the crushed stone going. That's our anti-bug defense. So here's a distant view of what's going on the roof. Over here you have Jerry attacking my lilacs now. And up on the roof, Gerald raking the stones that Jerry's been delivering. Yeah, it's, oh God, I think it's like 7 o'clock at night on the Monday, holiday Monday.